Hello guys, in this short video I'm gonna tell you how you can deploy your Angular application in GitHub. Okay, so before we deployed your application in GitHub and host it, first we have to push all your Angular code in GitHub. Now I have a simple Angular application here, just login and register page. And now to push this, I have this project in demo app over here. This is my Angular project. Now what you have to do is, right now I'm running the local host server, as you can see. Now I'm going to stop this server, and first what you have to do, first you have to push this Angular code in GitHub. So I have GitHub account, so if you don't have, create new GitHub account, and you can click on create repository, and here you have to give repository name. I have repository name already, I'm just gonna paste it here. Okay, this is my repository name, Angular login screen. Alright, you can give any repository name. I'm going to give Angular login register screen. Alright, and then you can click on create repository, and here you will get all this command, and you have to execute each command in your project directory. This is my project demo app. Inside that I'm going to execute one by one. First git init, enter, you will get this, and after that you can go to click copy this and paste it here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to add all these things. So git add, alright, and then you can execute next command, that is git commit -m. Okay, we commit all this thing. Now we are going to add this remote origin, so copy and paste it here. And the last one, git push origin master here. -u is optional actually. Now I'm trying to push all the code in GitHub, and as you can see, now everything is done. If you refresh your GitHub, you will be able to see your code as well. This is how you commit code in GitHub. Alright, so we got Angular project in GitHub. Now we want to host it. Now to host it, I'm going to use this ngh-graph. Alright, GitHub pages. You will get this GitHub link over here, and I already have this all the code. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to install this CLI GH-graph. GH stands for GitHub pages. Alright, then copy and paste it here, and then execute this. It will install this library. As you can see, we installed it, updated. Then what you can do is you can execute this command, ngh build, then product base ref, all these things. This is how you build product version, and yeah, that's all. So copy this and make sure this is your GitHub account username. As you can see, mine account is my coding channel, so I am writing my coding channel, and this should be your repository name. Alright, this should be, and my repository name is Angular login register screen. That's what. Now you copy all this thing and execute inside your command prompt. And the last one is, this will take some time. Alright, this will take build product version. And the last one is, if you come back to here we have ngh, and if you want to see the error, you can type this command also. Let's just type execute all this code, and alright, as you can see, we are done. Now let me just check our status. This is optional. Alright, and then I'm just going to execute this ngh. We are getting some error. As you can see, index.html could not be copied to this path, and this does not look like Angular project. If you get this error, what it is trying to say is, as you can see, they mentioned no file such directory, YouTube demo app dist index.html. So we'll see what is happening here. So this is demo app and dist, and inside dist they are expecting index.html, but what we have is inside this demo app. So what you can do, if you are getting like proper path, it's fine. If you are not getting, you can just cut all this thing and paste it inside here and delete this folder. Now as you can see, this folder path will match this one. Alright, so what you can do is you can execute this command again, and this time we should not get this error. Let's see. As you can see, we didn't get the error, but I think it's still loading. Okay, so we got this successfully published via angular-cli-ghpage. Have a nice day. Now what you can do is you can come to your GitHub, which is here, and refresh it once. And if you check the URL which is you gave before, just copy this and see, before we are using localhost, let me just paste it and check once. As you can see, now our app is deployed in what do you call GitHub. So this is GitHub. As you can see, now you can access this URL from anywhere, and it is SSH key HTTPS, so it's saved. You can deploy static website with this also. Alright, that's all guys. This is how you deployed Angular in GitHub, and make sure you comment, like and subscribe my video for similar tutorials. Alright, thank you guys, see you in the next one.